It's December 18th, 2019, and here we are at Paul Clark's shop. And we're going to start that engine today, Paul assures me.
Hey, what's cracking? We're working on the fender, getting the right shape. This is basically a blue die I just put on here, shows me the highs and the lows from where I can and can't hit. This is a profile gauge. So we set this off the other side, which is basically finished. We make the left and right sides match. We take the profile and we can set it on here and see this gap here tells me that all this fender in here all has to be brought out. Once it fills it, it'll match the other side. So this all needs to come out.
Yeah, because we don't use filler, so excellent.
That's how it's done. We don't want to put much in there.
Oh my God, this is the most